What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty with TheXKing.com. Hit you with my second video of the day. I am on my lunch break and I'm making videos, and you should be doing the same thing. Use your job to propel you to get stuff done. Go your car on your lunch break, on your 15-minute break, and shoot your video, and get back to work. This is how you can make money. You can, create video, create content, build your subscribers up, keep making videos. Today's video is about why do more people, I wrote it down, let me see. Why do more people give up making money online so easily? And that's an easy question to answer, because why do people give up so easily in making money online? I think it's just making money online is hard. It's not easy. Okay, it's not hard, but I'll put it this way. If you want to do real estate, let's say you want to make money with real estate, you're gonna have to buy a property. Okay, you're gonna have to buy a property. You're gonna have to, you could buy a property and flip it. So you double your money. You could buy a property to rent it out and get rental income, make it a rental property. You can wholesale. You can be that third person. I find my house, and you find somebody want to buy the house. So real estate is pretty much straightforward, and there's techniques and tips involved, but it's pretty much straightforward. If you want to make money doing a burger, let's say you want to own a cake shop. Let's say you bake cakes or bake pastries and cookies, stuff like that. And you want to build something like that. What you could do is just find you a location, and get your lease at a building, and then get the equipment inside, and you start baking cakes and you sell it. You promote the site, promote your building. So it's pretty much straightforward. Just got to know the techniques and tactics with it. So if you're a mechanic, you fix cars. If you were to start a t-shirt business, it's pretty much simple. You create your t-shirts and you sell them. You sell them online, offline. But why is it so hard to make money online? Why is it so hard to do it? The number one reason why it's so hard is there's so many ways to doing something. There's so many ways to make money online. I give you a few. YouTube, blogging, affiliate marketing, paid traffic, social media, become a social media manager, paid traffic. You could be a writer online. People can hire you for gigs online. You could do resumes, online. You can be a virtual assistant. There's so many ways of doing it, and then people get lost and confused because they don't know what to do, because there's so much stuff to do. So people tend to get analysis or paralysis as they're learning one thing, and then something comes out, they want to do that thing. So instead of sticking with that one thing originally. So that's why it's so hard to make money online, because it's so many ways. I mean, you could buy a course just on Pinterest and make money from Pinterest, or you could buy a course on Reddit and make money on Reddit, or you could buy a course how to be a social media manager on Facebook. There are courses on how to do Facebook ads. There are courses how to make money with video games. You want to be a gamer. There's programs on that. There's some ways to do that. So there's so many ways to do it, to make money online, and there's so many programs. You make money on Amazon. You could create an Amazon product, FBA product, and Amazon merch, and there's so many ways to make money online. It's ridiculous, man. It's ridiculous. I'm on camera focus in here. I don't know why I keep doing that. It's crazy how much things and programs there is. So that's why people give up, because there's so much. And then on top of that, see, if they learn the basic principle that you need traffic, okay? You need traffic. You need people going into your store. If you have a cake shop, the only way you make money is when people going into your store ordering cakes, or people calling you to order cakes. If the more people you have going into your shop, the more likelihood you'll make money. If I get 1,000 people coming to my shop, I'll make more money versus if I have 50 people come to the shop. You know what I'm saying? The more people coming to your shop, the better. That's traffic. The same with online, you need traffic. And there's two ways to get traffic. Either paid traffic, what you pay for, pay a click or pay a view, whatever. You pay for traffic, or it's free traffic, which is a longer route. There are so many techniques of getting free traffic. There's so many techniques of getting paid traffic. People get confused. People get lost. People get, what do I do? There's so many programs. There's so many of this. There's so many of that. There's so many ways of doing something, and it's hard to fathom what to do first. So here's my thing with people having a hard time making money online. Okay, do two things. Just do two. While buying no course. Now I do have a course down below for free. If you want to get free affiliate training, you want affiliate marketing, I have a course that's free. All you need is your email and your name, and you can go through the course. The email you step by step how to become a student affiliate. That's below the video. Okay. This took me 4 years to learn. You need two things. I will get a blog and a YouTube channel. That is it. I wouldn't, if you need a course to teach you other things, have at it. But do a blog and YouTube. YouTube is 100% free. This video I'm making now, it's not costing me no money, it's costing me time. Start a YouTube channel, start a blog, and start producing content. That's the biggest thing. So you gotta produce content. It doesn't matter what tip you got, what trick you got. It doesn't matter unless you produce content. So produce content. That's the number one thing you must do, produce content. So the people who given up, who don't know what to do, don't know where to turn, look, forget all the social media stuff. Forget all the tips and tricks. Look, start you a YouTube channel. Start you a blog. Create a posting frequency every week. You're going to write a blog post, 2,000 words long, twice a week. You go shoot 2 videos twice a week. To get started doing that, you start getting views then, okay? That's where you should start. So do that first, then see where things lead to, okay? But you gotta start from somewhere. You gotta start from the beginning, and do the first step. That's another thing that people don't do. Do the first step. Don't do the third step. Don't, oh, how am I set my theme up? Don't worry about the theme setup. Do the first step. Do the first step first, then the second step, then the third step, then the fourth step. Okay, so the first step is start a YouTube channel. What's the second step? Okay, pick a niche. What I'm gonna do videos on. Okay, what's the third step? Shoot a video. What's the fourth step? Upload the video. So do this consistently. Get your YouTube channel, get your blog, start a podcast. Podcasts are easy. You just talking. There's free apps on your phone. You download, you start a podcast. You can put it worldwide. Do all that stuff. So that's how you do it. That's how I would do it. So again, that's how people give up, because there's so many ways of doing it. There's so many programs. It's not one click. It's not like real estate. If you want to buy a house, or you're going to invest in some REITs, or you're going to invest in a company that do it for you. It's only 2 ways of doing it. You want to get into real estate, you need a property. Bottom line, you need real estate. You need a property to make money off of. So pretty straightforward, cut and dry. Offline business, you want to bake cakes, it's pretty simple. You bake the cake, people order it, you bake the cake. There's no buying a program to master how to bake cakes or master how to start a cake business. I mean, so that's why it's so hard to make money online, because there's so many ways. I list like 8 or 9 ways on top. Podcast make money. Podcasting, ebooks, you make money. The people who millionaires on Amazon ebooks section of Amazon that I have no clue about, because I don't have the time to research that stuff. But there are people who make millions of dollars writing ebooks from home, and they make money every day. It's passive. So start from scratch. Start your blog. If you want to start a blog, I have a link below the video for a free domain. Start with Bluehost. What I have, start a YouTube channel. I have a free program below the video, free affiliate marketing training. to teach you step by step how to make money with affiliate marketing and start from there. Stop getting stuck. Go with those two things, and you make it. My name is Ty with AskKing.com. Thank you for watching.